Hello friends, this is Ashok. You're watching. Thank you for watching this video. If you are already subscribed, big thank you to you. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe the channel and encourage me to make more and more videos. So
what is that?
So friends, you're watching me, Ashok. Right now I'm in California. We came to this place in the evening, like around 10 o'clock. It was night, so I couldn't show you much, but right now I'm standing in front of a house in Berkley, California. This is kind of at elevation, and from this side, left side is a bay, and the right side behind me is San Francisco area. So this place has houses around $2 to $4 million houses. So I'm staying in one of the house which is like $4 million house, and I'm going to show you outside of this house, but I'm going to ask permission from the owner that I can show inside a little bit, because it's quite a hassle to show without authorization, without permission of owner. So this is, you go. This house is sitting on almost like a 1 acre lot. That's the gate. This is how the house looks. It's around like 7-bedroom house. That's the front lawn. Beautiful shrubs and a beautiful redwood tree. These are all, I think, cherry trees. They blossom cherry in spring season. That's, I think, a rubber plant. It's quite big. This house is pretty old, like 1925 built. And there is lawn on other side. That's the gate. So that's the entrance. This house was rebuilt. Remodeling was done recently, and they have a lot of fruit trees. Look at this. This is kind of citrus fruit. Let me show you around this house. That's their car. It's Mercedes, kind of Jeep, quite big. And there's their parking lot. You can come and park almost like 4 or 5 cars. This is a huge tree. That's how it looks. Quite big car. Around maybe 7 or 8 people can come inside. And that's from left side of our house. That's the gate going inside. You can park car going deep inside, like maybe 10 cars can come. AC unit. It's on the left side of the property. And there is a gate. It says keep the gate closed all the time. So I'm inside right now, and there are quite beautiful shrubs. There's another house on the other side. Beautiful jacuzzi. And there's like 6 people can come inside. It's like a warm, or you can set up temperature and you can take a dip in that, sit inside. There are seats inside, water bubbles. And there are jets inside. You can quite relax inside. And these are like quite flowering trees. That is kind of another accommodation, you can say. It's a sitting area that is built. I will try to show you inside after I talk to the owner. And I'm visiting this house. That's the look of the house from other side. This house was remodeled, and I'm going inside. So this is behind in the backyard area. That's the sitting area. You can see there's a sofa, there's a fire pit in the center, and almost like 10 people can come easily inside here. And there is a gas pit. Gas cylinder comes inside, and you can sit here around in the evening. Gets pretty cold here. Yesterday we came here and temperature was almost like 10 to 15 degrees Celsius, maybe 50 Fahrenheit. So compared to other places where we were, there was temperature around 35 to 40, but here it's like 15 degree Celsius, like 50 Fahrenheit. So other places was like 100 plus. So it's month of July, still this kind of temperature, because bay is right there, and it gets pretty cool. This is another lawn behind, beautiful trees. That is big, I think maybe it's evergreen, and it may be redwood, probably sequoia tree, very old, maybe 200 years old. Beautiful garden, beautiful flowers around, and a lot of fruit trees, a lot of flowers, beautifully landscaped. There is apple tree. I can see there are some apples on that. Let me show you. These are apples. A lot of apples on this tree. So homeowner has great taste of gardening. So listen to the sounds of chime. There is another apple tree there. These apples are small, but they are growing. Maybe in 2-3 months they will grow big. But beautiful tree, maybe flowering tree, I think. Another sitting area, lot of flowers.